Welcome to PPT Genix. So today we are going to see how to use the morph transition to change the background of the slide. So there are various ways by which we can do. So here you can see for the second slide, I've already given it the morph transition effect. Okay, now let's begin. Let's start with the first slide. So first of all, in the view option, I'm going to select the guides. Okay, and now in the picture or a texture fill, I'm going to select the clipboard. All right, now in the next step, I'm going to insert a shape. I will select this shape and I'm going to make the square. All right, perfect. Now the shape outline is going to be the no outline. Now in the next step, I'm going to press the Ctrl D to make the exact copy of it. And I'm going to place exactly over here. Now again, I'm going to press the Ctrl D to make the exact copy. And this, I'm going to place it over here. Okay, and let's shift 3 of them a little bit towards the right. Perfect. Now in the next option, what am I going to do? Yes, for the format shape, I'm going to select the slide background for all the 3. So by pressing the Control key, I'm going to select the rest 2 shapes and I'm going to choose this slide background fill. Perfect. Now in the next option, I am going to select all these shapes by pressing the Ctrl A key. I'm going to press the Ctrl Z, and in the next slide, I am going to press the Ctrl V key. So by pressing the Ctrl V key, so we have the exact copy of the squares in the second slide as well. Now what am I going to do? I am going to shift this first square downwards. Perfect. And I'm going to shift the second square upwards. And the third square again downwards by pressing the down arrow key. Perfect. Now I need some background also. So I will go to the insert option. I'll go to the pictures. I'll go to online pictures. And in the online pictures, I'm going to write landscape. You can choose any image of your choice. So now I'm going to choose this image. Okay. So once it is downloaded, I'm going to make a copy of that image. All right. Now I have this image. I'm going to press the Ctrl X so that it is on my clipboard. So now I'm going to choose this option, picture or texture fill, and I'm going to press the clipboard. Okay. Perfect. Now let's have a preview once. So how this morph transition. So this is the first line. Perfect. Isn't it beautiful? Let's see one more time. All right. So let's try one more way. So now what am I going to do? I'm going to make the exact copy of this slide. Okay. I'm going to bring it downwards over here and let's remove this square. Okay. And now I'm going to take this square and I am going to bring it till here. And even for this square, I'm going to bring it till here. Now in the next step, I am going to make the copy of this slide. Okay. And I'm going to bring it over here. All right. Now in this next step, what am I going to do? First of all, I am going to remove all the shapes which are present here and I'm going to copy all the shapes from this slide and I am going to paste them on this slide. Okay. Now here, this is very important step. Now I'm going to shift this rectangle towards the right hand side like this and this rectangle towards the left hand side like this. Now let's have a preview for this kind of transition. Perfect. See one more time. So this is the way you can use the morph transition to change your background image.